you can now find the special schedule, assignment list, and small group schedule all in one place. And that would be on the dashboard of any of your students' classes. So if they go to homeroom, you can see it will be right here. And this is a live document, so they can scroll through it and it'll update each week. So you can see the date, September 8th through 11th would be this next week. And there's Tuesday's information, there's special schedules here. There are assignments they need to do on Tuesday, and then my small groups, not so small, on Tuesday since we're out Monday. And then the same for Wednesday, no specials on Wednesday because no live classes. Thursday, and then Friday. Okay, it has everything you need in one place. And you can access that in the homeroom class, in the ELA classroom it shows up in all of their academic spaces for my classroom.